Hey YouTube subscribers and anybody who's watching this video, thanks for joining me today. We're working on a 2014 gl450 and we had bed misfire and no compression on cylinder number 7. We're getting the engine out. Yesterday you saw the car when we just started the job. A day later, probably a few hours into the morning, we got the core frame with the radiator, the fan, condenser, auxiliary pump. The whole core frame is one unit. It was much easier to do it that way. We got that out. Now we're at the point where we expose the engine. The transmission, we disconnected it already. We got to drop the transmission. We got to support the engine first. Then we'll drop the transmission. We got the bumper over here. Bumper is out with the foams. As a matter of fact, there's only three screws that are holding the whole bumper in, surprisingly. But we got the bumper out, we got the core frame with everything. We're having the engine disconnected. Of course, we had to extract the refrigerant. First of all, drain all the coolant, drain all the fluids to get to a point where we can disconnect everything and not have spills and stuff of that nature. But this is how the engine looks right now. You can see the intercoolers for the turbo and everything. This is where the turbo is. You can see it right there. This is one of the turbos. This is the second turbo. Tiny little turbos, very small. But these are the two turbos. That's where the air goes into the engine, goes through the turbo and getting pushed back into the intake manifold from here. You can see. But that's it so far. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted on another video when we have the engine out, and then when we have the engine out, we'll open it and start to look why we had the misfire on cylinder 7. What's causing it? It might be high compression ratio because of the turbos, the direct injection and stuff of that nature can put too much stress on the valves, or maybe something else, I don't know. Might be bad piston, maybe bad cylinder wall. We dropped a scope inside to try and see if we can see anything. We couldn't see anything that will give any evidence on the reason for the misfire. But that's it so far. 2014 gl450 278 engine, having some misfire and some issues. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video probably will have the engine out already on a stand and start to tear it apart and get to the bottom of the problem. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.